testing out cookies.
Stop. Go ahead, take them out.
All right, guys, back up, back up, back up. The girls made these.
Oh my God, I can't wait to eat them.
They're not because they're hot.
Why can't I eat them?
But you're on your diet.
I am, but I still can have a cookie.
I don't think.
Which one do I want?
But hold on, back up. They're hot. We're gonna wait a few minutes.
They're gonna be very hot.
They're gonna be very
No,
hot.
insane.
Stop. All right.
I'll be the one to eat them.
They're breaking. Okay, we're gonna try them now. Ready? They're
This
breaking.
is its taste.
Wait, we have to get it
They're
on.
still
Ready?
hot.
Yeah.
No. Set.
Are they good?
Mmm.
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 You don't need to moan.
Mmm. Oh. Mmm. Oh my God. That's so good.
You girls like them?
Mm-hmm.
What are you examining, my love?
So yummy.
All right, now we have to hide them from Daddy.
So we made these with this little jar that she got for Christmas.
A little
Yep.
jar.
We
Yeah.
got a Christmas cookie jar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You should have showed the jar.
We should show the jar.
Sure.
Oh.
It's all right. We could just eat more cookies.
What? You're enough.
I don't know.
Why make cookies if we're not going to eat them?
Well, they're for us, and you sampled.
But
You got two. You got two.
Did you
Yeah.
make them or did Mom make
We helped.
them? We helped.
I don't know.
Show everybody the snow.
It's blizzard out. The plow just came by. Holy shit. How the hell are we going to get out of here?
You gotta show the back. We're snowed in the back.
But how are we supposed to get to school tomorrow if we're not shoveled out?
You ain't having school tomorrow. There ain't no
Don't
way.
think so? Daddy's gonna shovel us out, or I might have to.
Can I have another one?
If you're good.
Go ahead,
Yeah,
you're
I've
good.
been good.
She goes, yeah, I've been good.
It's a jammy day.
Can I have another one? I'm going to eat this small one right here.
It's not small.
I'm going to eat the small one. Ooh, it's soft. Mm.
All right, let's hide them on Daddy before he eats them all. Where should we put them, girls?
I'm
Hurry
going to
up.
watch you hide them.
Just stand back. Don't you have to go film a toy or something?
Listen to you.
You're hilarious. Are your knees frozen?
No.
Are your toes on? Alright, you're gonna be frozen. You are gonna be frozen. Amy! Wait, stay there for a second.
I got a sweatshirt on under this. I got 3 layers on.
Nice. There's another maniac out. Why do these
State of
men...
emergency.
Whoa. Alright, I think you need to stay out of the deep snow.
No, it's fun.
I know, but you're gonna be frostbite. My fingers, I can't feel them.
I can feel
I
myself.
cannot feel my fingers.
I'm getting my hands in my pockets. I'm just gonna walk around. Holly, let's go snowball. No, please.
No, your fingers, honey. Don't touch it. You were.
Daddy went out.
I know. He just left. He went wrestling. I think I'm gonna send the police after him.
Come on.
He can't be going out in this.
Wait.
Don't kick mommy.
It's so deep. What do you guys think? How deep is this? This is fun. I'm out in a blizzard. This is Molly reporting from the weather. We have about like 100 feet today. Hi guys, this is Amy from the Weather Blog, and today we have about 20 feet today in New Jersey.
You're so cute.